You're in your buddy's car, it's dark, someone pulls up behind with their high beams on full blast. You're already bracing for the glare, but nothing happens. The mirror just dims on its own. He doesn't even flinch. You get back to your own car and suddenly everything feels outdated. That's what this video is about. 13 features you can add to any older car yourself for way less than you'd think. And trust me, don't skip number 13. Let's get into it. Number 1, blind spot detection kit. 2 small radar sensors mount inside your rear bumper, one on each side. When a car enters your blind spot, a small warning light on your side mirror lights up. Some kits also beep if you try to signal while someone's there, which is the moment it actually matters. Installation takes a few hours since you need to run wiring from the bumper to the mirrors. But once it's in, you genuinely forget it wasn't there from the factory. It works exactly like the system on a $30,000 or $40,000 car. This one isn't just a cool gadget, it's a real safety upgrade, especially on highways or in heavy traffic where blind spot checks can be easy to miss. Number 2, wireless backup camera mounts on your license plate and sends a wireless signal to a small screen on your dash or clip to your mirror. No drilling, no cable routing through the car. Some kits come with their own dedicated screen. Others plug straight into your existing head unit if it has a camera input. Night vision versions are available for a few dollars more. For power, you have 2 options. Some wireless cameras wire directly into your reverse light, so they flip on automatically the moment you shift into reverse, while others run on a rechargeable battery you top up every few weeks. The wired option is more convenient long-term, but the battery version means literally 0 installation. You just stick it on and go. Number 3, front and rear parking sensors. Small ultrasonic sensors that drill into your bumpers and beep with increasing urgency the closer you get to an object. The beeps start slow when you're a few feet away and get faster and faster until they're one continuous tone when you're almost touching something. Most kits come with a small LED display or buzzer that mounts inside the car, and higher-end kits show you the actual distance in numbers. Front sensors are especially underrated. Most people only think about the rear, but having sensors on both ends makes parking in tight spots a completely different experience. Installation takes an afternoon, and the main work is drilling the sensor holes cleanly and running the wiring inside the car. Once it's done, though, you'll wonder how you ever parallel parked without it. Number 4, forward collision warning and lane departure warning. A small camera mounts on your windshield and does 2 things at once. First, it monitors the road ahead and triggers an audible alarm if you're closing in on another vehicle too fast. Second, it watches your lane markings and warns you the moment you start drifting without signaling, either with a beep or a steering wheel vibration, depending on the kit. Both features run off the same camera and the same control unit, so it's one install for 2 systems. It won't physically brake for you like a brand new car would, but that extra second of warning is what matters. Especially useful on long highway drives where your attention naturally fades. Clip the camera to the windshield, plug it in, calibrate in a few minutes, and you're done. Number 5, wireless CarPlay/Android Auto head unit. This replaces your entire old stereo with a full touch screen running GPS, Bluetooth, music streaming, phone calls, and wireless phone mirroring. Pull out the old unit, slot the new one in, using a mounting kit for your specific car, connect a few wires and your phone mirrors onto the screen completely wirelessly the moment you get in. Most kits also have a backup camera input, so if you installed number 2 on this list, you can tie it straight into this screen. The difference in how the car feels day to day is hard to overstate. It's the one upgrade that touches literally every drive. If you commute, take road trips, or just spend a lot of time in your car, this is the one to prioritize above everything else on this list. Number 6, heads-up display, OBD2 connected. A small unit that sits on your dash and projects your speed, RPM, coolant temperature, and other live data directly onto your windshield so your eyes never have to leave the road. It pulls all that information by plugging into your OBD2 port, the diagnostic port that every car has had since the late 90s, usually found just under the steering column. No wiring, no tools. Just plug it in and position the unit. Some kits also show fuel consumption, battery voltage, and even gear position depending on your car. It sounds like a gimmick until you use it for a week and then get into a car without one. Suddenly, looking down at your dashboard feels weirdly old-fashioned. One of the easiest installs on this entire list, and one of the most satisfying to use every single day. Number 7. 360-degree surround view camera system. 4 cameras installed at the front, rear, and both sides of the car, and a small processor combines all 4 feeds into a single bird's-eye image that shows a top-down view of your entire car in real time. The same system you see on Range Rovers and BMWs. It feeds directly into your head unit screen, so if you already installed number 5 on this list, you're already most of the way there. It's the most involved install on this list. 4 cameras means 4 sets of wiring to root. But once it's in, parking a big car in a tight space becomes almost effortless. You can see every corner, every curb, every obstacle simultaneously. If you drive a large SUV, a truck, or anything where judging the corners is a challenge, this is the upgrade that will genuinely change how you use your car every single day. Number 8, keyless entry / remote start kit. Wires into your existing door lock and ignition system and gives you push-button start, keyless unlock, and remote engine start from outside the car. Walk up and it unlocks. Press a button on the dash and it starts. No key needed. Some kits also come with a phone app so you can start your car from anywhere. Useful in winter when you want the car warmed up before you even step outside. Installation is more involved than most things on this list since you're tapping into your car's wiring. But the kits come with detailed instructions and most are designed around specific car models, so the wiring is pretty straightforward. Once it's in, it's completely seamless. It feels factory fitted, not like an aftermarket add-on. One of those upgrades where the moment you have it, using a regular key feels genuinely prehistoric. Number 9. Automatic folding side mirrors. Small motors fit into your existing mirror housings and link to your lock signal so the mirrors fold when you lock and open when you unlock. Protects against getting clipped in tight spots and just looks clean. Some cars actually have this feature hidden in the system already. You can unlock it with an OBD diagnostic tool in minutes without touching a single wire. Not all models are compatible, but worth checking before you buy a kit. If yours isn't, the motor kit is the way to go. Intermediate install in one solid afternoon. Number 10. Seat heating pads. 2 options here. The proper retrofit version has thin heating elements that slip under your existing seat cover or foam and connect to a small switch on your dash. Clean, invisible, feels completely factory. The easier option is a seat cover pad that sits directly on top of your seat and plugs into your 12-volt outlet. 0 installation, you just lay it down and plug it in. The trade-off is it sits on top of the seat, which some people find bulky, and you need to remember to plug it in. Both warm up in about 30 seconds. If you want the clean look, go under the cover. If you just want heat with 0 effort, the top cover works just fine. Number 11. Auto-dimming rear view mirror. Replaces your stock mirror and automatically darkens when it detects headlights coming from behind, eliminating the glare. No button to flip, no manual dimmer. It reads the light level and adjusts on its own. Direct swap with your existing mirror. Clip the old one off, clip the new one on, connect 2 small wire connectors, done. Most people get it done in under 30 minutes. It's one of those things that's hard to appreciate until you drive at night with it, especially on dark highways where people forget to dim their high beams. After a week, you'll wonder how you ever drove without it. Number 12. Electronic throttle controller. Plugs directly into your accelerator pedal connector and sharpens your throttle response. Most older cars have a dead zone at the start of the pedal. You press it and there's a noticeable delay before the car actually reacts. The throttle controller eliminates that. Multiple modes to choose from. Sport for instant aggressive response, Eco for smoother relaxed driving, and usually several steps in between so you can dial in exactly what you want. No cutting wires, no permanent modifications. If you ever want to remove it, you just unplug it and everything goes back to stock. One of the cheapest upgrades on this list and one of the most immediately noticeable. Number 13. Tire Pressure Monitoring System, TPMS. Small sensors screw directly onto your valve stems and send live pressure and temperature readings to a small display you mount on your dash. If any tire drops below safe pressure, it warns you immediately. Every car built since 2008 is required to have this from the factory. If yours is older, you're driving blind on tire pressure every single day. Underinflated tires hurt your fuel economy, wear unevenly, and at highway speeds can become genuinely dangerous. Zero installation. The sensors screw on by hand in minutes and the display plugs into your 12-volt outlet. One of the simplest and most practical safety upgrades on this entire list. And that's all 13. Let me know in the comments which ones you're going for. And if you've already installed any of these, drop your experience below. See you in the next one.